Hi. First of all, I want to start off by saying that if you see any dark marks on my arm, I had a client last night and I got color on my shirt and I didn't realize, and I was, moving my hands back and forth and I ended up getting color all over me, so just keep that in mind. So this video is on my lovely subscriber, Harley Nouveau. You will be able to see Harley's links and YouTube, Instagram stuff down here. I don't have a shirt. Oh, this is the picture that it was based off of. And here is me asking Harley that it's okay that I do this. So I really wanted to thank you for watching me. Thank you for subscribing to me. I had plans to do 10 looks, 1 palette with the Conspiracy palette, but it's not here yet. I had plans to do another video, but these videos are what I get the most gratification from, because I get to converse with people who are beautiful, talented, kind, and inspirational. So Harley, thank you so much for always supporting me and messaging me if I'm down, and just being a genuinely good friend. So, oh, and congratulations on finishing school. You know, take one day at a time, and I know you're gonna be fabulous at what you do. You already are fabulous at what you do, but it's only up from here, babe. So, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. It really means more to me than I can ever describe. If I have lipstick on my teeth, I'm sorry. So, anyway, thank you guys. Bye. Hey guys, so we're starting with Plouise on the lid. I'm gonna run through the colors I use from the Jawbreaker palette. I did go ahead and start with Jawbreaker, which is the shimmery kind of gold toned white. And then under the eyebrow I did put Virgin. I just wanted to mention that before I continue. But any kind of like 2 shades lighter than your skin tone will do type thing. I just use white because I'm so fair, but anyway. So the yellow I use is from the Jawbreaker palette. It's Wow. The color on the lid that I use, that orange color, is Fuck, and then I put Snack over top of it. I wanted it to be, I didn't think Snack was orangey enough for the look that Harley did. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe that is what was used, but I wanted to put Fuck down as a base. And then I go ahead and I use Bubblegum as a transition color, and I put Bite Me on the outer corner. And then I use on the bottom lash line Brain Freeze, Soaked, and Delicious. I really enjoy how this look came out. Harley is such a creative mind, a beautiful soul inside and out. So please, please ensure that you go follow and subscribe. I love you, Harley. Thank you so much for being so kind to me always. So I continue to just pack on the color. You guys know I'm always using my fingers. I used the fingers for the inner corner color, which was Virgin, and then, or no, that was Jawbreaker. And then I used my fingers for Snack as well too on the lid. Other than that though, I did use brushes. Most of the brushes I use are either from e.l.f. or I like the Crown Case brushes. I like Real Techniques. I'm a fan of cheap brushes. You know, I don't think you need expensive makeup brushes to do crazy makeup looks or, you know, anything like that. What I do is I build up a lot of color on the very outer, and then I go ahead and clean it up with a makeup wipe. The makeup wipes I use are from Costco. They're Kirkland brand. I've never had a problem with irritation or anything like that, and they get my cake face off when I do like full, like I want to wear a lot of makeup, which I haven't really done lately, but I should do that lately. I should do that soon. I just pack on and keep blending. I loved how all the colors went together. The color combination that HARLEY used was, you know, just eye candy to me. I really enjoyed it. And then blending with my fingers as well too. Love a good finger. This is more so where I'm packing color on the outer corner, if I'm not mistaken. And then having it over there, and then I go ahead and clean it up. This voice over button is right over my motherfucking face, so I can't even see like half the shit I'm doing. I fucking hate it. Do you guys like my mirror? I rhinestoned it myself. I rhinestone everything myself. I'm always rhinestoning. It's one of my favorite things to do. So relaxing. I think I've mentioned that before, but like I'm really fucking obsessed. This is the Juvia's Place concealer. I like it. And that is, by the way, that's hairspray and hair gel in my hair from gluing down my wigs. So it's not dandruff. Not that there's anything wrong with dandruff, but that's not the storyline that my hair is giving me lately. So it's glue and hairspray. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. I love this one. Inexpensive and good for my skin. I like the Conceal and Hydrate as well too. I have more so dry skin, so I like that. My right eye. Oh, and then this is the Magic Star Concealer in white. You guys know I love a white under eye. My right eye, I suppose it's left in this film, video, whatever, was really starting to bother me on the inner corner. I put on my eyeliner at the end and it started like watering up and my eyeliner was getting smudged. So take that with a grain of salt, but it's not that noticeable anyway. I got fucking powder in my mouth and I was sick. And I could like see it on my tongue. I was like, fuck. And then I have glue still on my fucking forehead from wearing a wig from earlier, you know? But that's okay, because another wig's just going over it, you know? So fuck it. And then using that white, shivering white MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. And using the Saharan blush palette. Using Urban Decay setting spray with good old Danessa Myricks Enlight powder and light. I don't like to switch up my products often. I kind of keep them all the same. Once I find one I enjoy, I really I really stay on that bandwagon, you know what I mean? Now I have loose highlighter dandruff or lice. Either one. It's sparkly. Giving you an up close. I don't remember what I'm going to do now. Oh, I'm just blending out my highlighter on my forehead. I forgot. I didn't get a final clip of me completely done everything. So I just inserted a clip of the beginning of me talking so that you could, like, get the full, you know, idea of what it finalized. Finally, what it looks like when it is finalized. I love these little brushes for contouring. They're so nice. Except I went a little harsh today. But fuck it, YOLO. I did use Queen Bee from Jeffree Star on the waterline. Don't know if I mentioned that already, but I love the way it turned out. I think I want to get the colored eyeliners from ColourPop. How do you guys like them? If you have them, are they shit? Are they a hit? You feel me? Oh, and then I'm using the NYX Rollerball. I love this. I've loved this for years. When I'm going out on the town, I pretty much bathe in this. Not that I go out on the town. But anyway. And then I used Fully Nude liquid lipstick with Legends Only at the end. With some eyeliner and some lashes. I don't really like to show myself putting on lipstick because I always cover it with my mirror, which is what I did in this video, so I just cut it out because there's no point. With eyeliner, like, I have a video on how... Do I have a video on how I do eyeliner? I don't know if I do. Google it. Like, I'm sure someone has a video of it. Anyway, that's it, you guys. I hope you all enjoy. My hair even matches Harley's. Love you.